Just imagine out of business hours and your AI chatbot is answering all the inquiries and you don't have to do anything. In this video, I will show you how to create an AI chatbot for your company and all of that without any coding knowledge, connect it to your WhatsApp account, and then at the end, make it run as soon as your company is out of the business hours and let the chatbot answer all the messages. We will do this example with a wellness and beauty spa, but you can do that basically with every type of business, and I will just show you how to do it for the beauty and spa, but just change the type of business for your case and it will work perfectly fine. To do that, first we go into Superchat and then on the settings, and first of all we have to set the opening hours for our inbox. For that we will go on the left side, inboxes, a little bit down, and then just go here, opening hours and out of office message. We don't need the out of office message, we just need the opening hours. In this case, because it's Tuesday right now and I'm recording on Tuesday, I will keep the business closed on Tuesdays. All the other days it's open from 8 to 5. But so if we're going to test the AI chatbot later, it will perfectly work fine. Of course, here you set your business hours how you want them to be. All right, let's save it and skip here. And first step done. Then next step. Now we have to create our AI chatbot. We go here on the left side, AI chatbot, new AI chatbot, and then we have to give it a name. I'll call it Soapy, like soap. Then I go here on examples and I choose the support example. Now you see there's already a prompt getting pasted into by Superchat. The only thing we have to do here is change all the X's into some text or like adjust it to our type of business. So in this case, your goal is to understand the customer's problem with our spa and beauty salon called Super Spa. And your name is Soapy. And further questions about beauty and spa, treatments, or appointments, questions about our Super Spa related to wellness, beauty and spa, ignore all other topics, and that's basically it. Of course, you can go through the whole prompt again and adjust whatever you want if you're a bit more advanced, but I recommend if it's your first AI setup, if it's the first time you're building something like this, just change the little X's, put it into your type of business, and it will work perfectly fine. All right, then we go continue. And now second part of it, we have to give the AI some knowledge, because of course the AI has to answer the questions, but it also has to have some knowledge to answer the questions. Like if I ask some questions, the AI has to know, okay, what to answer. And there we have two options basically. We can upload a file, PDF or CSV, with some knowledge or knowledge-based data, questions and answers, for example, or we add our website. In this case, I will just upload a little FAQ from our spa website. So we just collected the 50 most asked questions to our Super Spa, and then we upload this as a knowledge base. So what are we going to do here? Upload file, click here on upload, and then I'll upload the PDF file. Continue, and that's it. Of course, you can do both. You can either upload a file or a website, or also both. All right, the AI chatbot is being trained. Perfect, Soapy is ready. Now we can test it. Here on the right side, you can test the AI chatbot. We're going to ask some simple question. Do I have to bring a towel to the spa? Let's see if Soapy answers fine, and if everything is fine, it should work, and it's basically ready to add it to our WhatsApp channel. Perfect, you don't need to bring a towel. Perfect, this is also what is in our FAQs, so this should work perfectly fine. All right, let's save it and then go to the third and last step. Let's go back up here, back to the overview, and now we have to add it to our WhatsApp channel. So we go to automations, new automation, and we create a new automation from scratch. All right. First of all, our trigger. We want that every time someone writes us a WhatsApp message, we want the AI chatbot to answer, but only out of the business hours. So first of all, we go add a new trigger. Contact sends us a message. We delete this filter because we don't actually care what type of message the contact is sending us. So we only care about, okay, someone is sending us a message. And now we have to filter business hours. We just go here, filter, and then we have here opening hours. All right, now we see 2 points here. Within the opening hours, we don't do anything. We just leave it empty. Outside the opening hours, we want to connect our AI chatbot. So we add an AI chatbot node here. We choose our Soapy. We activate the human handover, and we add the automatic speech recognition. So what does this do? So now we have it, like someone writes us a message out of the business hours, we connect our AI chatbot. All right, what are we doing if the conversation has ended? Nothing. What do we do if the contact asks for help? We assign it to a person, assign conversation to me, and then we need a little trick that the conversation doesn't always keep looping. We add a little wait and pause, and we pause for 3 days. So that's basically it. That's all we need. So if someone writes us within the business hours, nothing happens. If someone writes us outside of the business hours, the AI chatbot will take place. If it detects a human handover, we assign it to a person. Then 3 days, it stays in this loop. After the 3 days, if you write again outside of the business hour, the AI chatbot starts again. Of course, you can adjust that duration here to your needs, but we'll keep it like this. All right, let's publish it. Publish the automation, take a phone, and then I'll try and see if it works. All right, so opening our WhatsApp and just write a little hello and see if it works. I'll go back here to the inbox. Okay, the hello arrived. Let's see how Sophie is responding. Hello. We can hear nothing. Okay, because I wrote it in German, the answer is also German. Let's also see if it works in English. Do I have to bring a towel? My little mistake, writing a German message. But as you see here, the AI chatbot can basically answer in any language, no matter in which language you offer the knowledge data. And now I just asked, do I have to bring a towel? Hello, you generally don't need to bring a towel. All right, perfect, works. And yeah, that's basically it. You can add this AI chatbot, of course, also to Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and whatever else. You can connect to Superchat. There's also a live chat option. If you haven't connected WhatsApp or anything to Superchat yet, just check out one of our other videos and we perfectly explain you how to add any of these channels to Superchat. I would love if you just follow me and then we see if we have some other videos for you. Have a great day.